Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To use a VPN on Xbox One for secure gaming, you'll need to share a VPN-enabled connection from your computer or set it up on your router. For the computer method, install a VPN, connect to a server, then go to your control panel, network and sharing center, change adapter settings. Right-click your VPN's network adapter. Select Properties, Greater Than, Sharing, and check Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Finally, connect your Xbox One to your computer via Ethernet. Alternatively, configuring the VPN directly on your router protects all devices, including your Xbox One.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.